guys, today I'm going to show you some Tory Bash tricks, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start. I'm going to show you my first trick that I ever learned. And it's kind of cool. Because watch this. See this, guy? Okay. So first what you have to do is press C. Then choose one of these, okay? The one you have to choose, on the feet, you extend both of them. Then press space. Then contract your left pecs, both of them, like that. And make your hands like when you hold your hands. That's what you have to do. So then press space. Then kick. With contracting left hip, both of them. Contract both of the hips. Then press space 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Then actually extend your left hip and your right hip. Extend both of them, then watch this. Just keep on pressing space. Okay, then there we go. Relax left knee and watch this. Then press on the guy's hands when they're not holding. Let go like this. Then press space. Keep on pressing space. Then kick up with contracting left and right hip, and the results are cool. Look, watch this. His leg is gonna go up. Come on. See, 1, 2, 3, and there we go. And that is how you do the first one. So I'm going to show you another one. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Wait. Bye.